What exactly is the LuK RepSet 2CT? The LuK RepSet 2CT is a unique repair solution for dry double clutches. But what's a double clutch? In reality, it's two clutches in one. How does it work? The double clutch consists of two clutches mounted on two input shafts. One clutch services the odd-numbered gears 1, 3 and 5, while the second clutch engages and disengages the even-numbered 2, 4 and 6 gears plus reverse gear. During driving, as one clutch is closed, the transmission control will already select the next gear for the second clutch. The simultaneous opening and closing of the other clutch enables a split-second gear change. LuK double clutches can already be found as OEM in many vehicles produced by leading manufacturers. Effective immediately, this innovation is available for the independent repair market. The volume of vehicles equipped with double clutches is increasing steadily, and they are becoming more important to the repair and maintenance business. Due to mileage, the vehicles are gradually visiting workshops. Using our special tools, the comprehensive training materials, and our practice-oriented training, you will receive the perfect support to exclusively enter this market. And our LuK RepSet 2CT eases and accelerates the professional complete assembly, including all required parts. Choose the LuK RepSet 2CT and profit from this future-proof innovation.